Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to auto start an Acura RDX. This will be an easy tutorial but also a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is a 2021 Acura RDX and this is the key fob for this vehicle. If your model is slightly newer or slightly older, it's probably going to be a very similar process, so please pay attention to the instructions. So as you can see right here, this is the key fob. The buttons that we need to worry about are the lock button and the engine hold button right here. Okay, so this button is telling you to hold it down to start the engine, but in order to do that, first and foremost, we have to lock the car. We have to lock the vehicle, so push the lock button, then press and hold down the engine hold button, and you'll see that an LED illuminates right there, and we can release it. That means that the engine has started, has auto started. So once you see that LED illuminate right there, that lets you know that the engine is going to auto start. Now let's say you're letting the truck warm up and you want to stop the engine, because the truck will run for a number of minutes before it automatically shuts off, okay? Before it should automatically shut off if it's working properly. But let's say you want to stop it. Let's say, you know, a couple minutes have gone by and you think the truck is warm enough and you want to stop it. Well, all that you have to do is press and hold down the engine button once again. And when you press and hold down the engine button once again, you're going to see another LED illuminate, and we're good. The engine has now shut off by itself once I press that button. That's basically it. That is how to use the engine auto start and stop on the Acura RDX. Once again, it's a very easy process, and I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video. Just make sure that the truck is locked and press and hold that down until you see the LED, and that allows you to know that the engine will start. And then if you want to turn it off, just press and hold that button down, the engine hold button, and it will turn off. There's also an additional LED that will let you know if your key fob is out of range, just as an added bonus piece of information. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.